Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how we can create a stylish table with edit and delete buttons using Bootstrap. So first of all, I will open Visual Studio Code. I'll create a new HTML file. So now let me just save this file in I'll save it in D drive. You can save it anywhere you want. I'll call it index and I'll generate some code using the Emmet abbreviation of Visual Studio Code. There we have our code, and first of all what I will do is I will create a simple table with two buttons, which are the edit button and the delete button. So let us just do that real quick. I will simply have three fields, which are let's say name, username, and or I guess name, email, and password. So let's just do that. We have name, email, and then we have password. Okay, here we go. What I will do, I will add some data to the table body. I'll remove the th and use td here. I will add some random names like Awadh. Also, I want to create two buttons. So for that, I will take a th and give it call span of 2. Now I also want to see the output of this. So for that, I'll use the Chrome browser. You can use whichever browser you want. Since my file is saved in the D drive, I'll type in D colon and press the enter key. Here is my file, which is index.html. I'll click on the file. I have my table here. As you can see, there is no styling whatsoever in the table. We have not applied any border, any CSS or any bootstrap. First, I will create normal HTML table. Then we'll apply bootstrap to this table. I also want to add two buttons. So I will just do that. Inside TD, I will add a tag. Its href will be nothing for now. I'll call it edit. And let me just format the code. Here we go. I'm also going to add a delete button here. And I will simply copy this entire row and paste and again paste it one more time. Now we have some records here. I'll simply change the data for it to look better. And now I will see the output. I'll refresh the page. We have a table outline ready. Now, what I want to do is I want to apply Bootstrap to my HTML file. For that, first of all, I need to link Bootstrap to my file, and for that I will directly go to the official Bootstrap website. I will search that and you will see that the first website, which is getbootstrap.com, this is the official Bootstrap website. We can just click on it and go there. You can select any version you want. I am working with the latest version of Bootstrap. And you see these links, these are CDN links. I will simply copy the link and paste it here. As you can see, let me just format it real quick. There we go. And this link also I'm going to copy and just paste it. Also let me format this one, and I'm also going to use icons. So let me just search Bootstrap icons. You see this first link, icons.get bootstrap. This is the link for Bootstrap icons. As you can see, there are many icons here. You can use any of these icons you want in your HTML file. Now I'm going to scroll down and find the link, and here is the link. I'm simply going to copy this link and paste it here in my HTML file. Okay, now that we have applied Bootstrap links in our HTML file, let us just see the changes. Here is the web page without any Bootstrap linked. Now if I refresh, you can already see some changes. Now, first of all, I want to style the table. And to style the table, I am going to use Bootstrap classes. I will give it the Bootstrap class of table. I'll save the file and I'll refresh. You can see the difference. It is much more better than before. I'm going to also give some margin to the table. For that, I will use m-5, which is the Bootstrap class for margin. And there we go. We've applied some margin to the table as well. Now let me just do one thing. I will take the entire table inside a div tag, and the div will be closed here. And instead of applying margin to the table, I will apply margin to the div. Margin 5. There we go. Now the table looks much better. Now I further want to style the table. What I can do is I can use more Bootstrap classes such as table hyphen strip striped. There we go. I will refresh and you can see our table is now more stylish. Now I also want to give it some box shadow. For that there is a Bootstrap class called shadow. I will apply the class and refresh. Now our table has a box shadow. There we go. Now what I want to do is I want to apply styles as well as an icon to the edit button and the delete button. And to do that, I'm going to use Bootstrap icon library which I've already implemented here, which I've already imported here. So let us just do that real quick. So first of all, I'm going to give classes to the a tag for edit. We have a total of 4 records, so let us just apply classes to all 4 of them. I'll give it Bootstrap class of btn and btn dash dark. There we go. We've applied styling to the edit button, and I'm going to do the same for the delete button. I'll apply the class for btn and another class for btn dash danger to get a red button. There we go. We have a red button and a black button, one for edit and one for delete. Now I want to add icons to this button, and how I'm going to do that? I will simply go to icons website of Bootstrap. I will go above and in the search section. Here is the search section. I'm simply going to search a pencil for the edit icon. There we go. There is a pencil square. I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy this code, and inside the edit section, inside the a tag, I will paste this code. I'll save my file. I will go to the document and refresh. There we go. You can see we have a pencil icon with the edit button. I'll do the same for delete icon. I will simply search trash for the delete icon. There we go, we have so many icons. I'll simply select this one and copy this code, and I will paste it before the text that says delete, and I'll go and refresh the file. As you can see, we have our Bootstrap table ready with the edit button as well as the delete button with icons using Bootstrap. So that's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe our tutor channel for more such tutorials.